Imagine an app that lets you earn up to $60 in just 10 minutes. All you have to do is install it, follow the instructions, and you'll be on your way to making money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money online by completing small tasks. You can make up to $60 in 10 minutes with no experience and start earning money right away. So, watch the video all through, check the description for amazing money-making hacks, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to follow for more. Now, let's jump to our today's video. Ever dream of completing offers or testing products for money? With YSense you can make that dream into a reality. YSense provides you with the means to get cash offers simply by doing things you do on a daily schedule. It's so simple and you'll see cash rewards instantaneously. YSense.com is an online rewards website for those looking to earn extra money from all over the world. They offer a variety of reward opportunities. Whether you take surveys, complete online tasks, or complete other offers, there's something for everyone to easily make money online. Offers can be anything from testing a new company product to simply watching videos. YSense is the perfect place to get paid to do offers, try out products for money, or download apps for money. Some of our other most common offers are testing new services, watching videos, signing up for websites. YSense also offers one of the most lucrative affiliate programs online with unlimited earnings potential. Affiliates can earn commissions whenever their direct referrals complete surveys, simple tasks, and other offers. They make it easy for our YSense affiliates to earn rewards along with the members they refer, enhancing their benefits. You can earn $1 to $60 for each cash offer that you complete. YSense also pays up to 30% affiliate commissions for the referrals you send through. Also, you will get sign-up commissions for each referral that becomes active. You will earn a sign-up commission of 10 cents or 30 cents. Once your referrals earn their first $5, you will also earn an extra $2 bonus. The more active your referrals are, the more you earn. Your earnings will be sent by your method of choices such as PayPal, Payoneer, and Skrill. To request a payment, click on the link Cash Out. That will be made available on your account summary page, next to your account balance. This link will only be available once you have reached the minimum cash out amount. You are allowed to cash out 2 times per day. There is absolutely no charge to start participating in YSense offers. You can get started getting paid to complete offers today. It's easy and quick. Simply sign up for YSense now and scroll through the endless offers. In the end, don't forget to check the description box to earn big money instantly, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.